Amy buys some trousers for £12 and finds difficulty in selling them. She cuts £3 from the cost to try to sell them. What is her percentage loss? The calculation is similar to that for profit. We take the amount of the loss, we divide by the buy-in price, that's the price she paid for them, and then convert to a percentage by multiplying by 100. The amount of the loss here is £3. She bought them for £12. So we have 3 over 12 times 100. Three goes into 3 once and into 12 4 times. So we have a quarter of 100, which is 25. So it's a 25% loss.